once again Jigna Desai from Arya's Hobby Classes. Let's see what we are going to learn today. Today we'll be using newspaper. We'll be making best out of waste, right? So take a newspaper, any newspaper from the house or any magazine paper. See this newspaper, right? We'll be making a coaster, a very easy and simple way. Take this newspaper like this. Now we'll move on to making a coaster. So now this is a newspaper. Half newspaper I've taken. Now we'll start rolling from here. We'll be making a pipe. Like this, 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 like this. Okay, then you can put a gum here and just stick like this. But this is become very wide, so you need to make a small one, a slimmer one. We can make other way option is like this. Start from the corner. Okay, you can also start from a corner like this. Just start from a corner. If you start from a corner, you get a bigger strip. These are two options of making a pipe. Okay, just see, I'm just folding, I'm just folding, folding, rolling. See this, just roll like this. You have to just roll like this. Okay, it will just keep on moving. It will. Okay, like this. Okay, now you can just put a glue here and just stick it, right? See, this way I have made so many strips. See this, I have many strips I have made. Now what we'll be doing, we'll be joining two strips. See this, I made a thicker strips. Now we'll be joining two strips together like this. We can put a hole, we can just do like this and just insert in the other one, right? Okay, like this we can put inside, or you can just also glue it here. I will just glue it here. Okay, just put inside this, it will get stick. See this, I've got a big strip now. Can you see? So you can join many sticks together, almost 4 to 5 sticks you can join and make a big strip. See this, now I made a big strip like this. See, such a big strip. Can you see all this? Now see what I'm doing. I will just start from any one corner. I will keep on rolling like this, like this, like this. I'll just keep on rolling. It will be a bit heavy for you because the strips were bigger, right? But it's fine. Just keep rolling, keep rolling. I've joined so many strips together. Just rolling. Just then we'll make a full roll. So now we have rolled these all the sticks. ये जो हमारी sticks थी, the sticks were there. ये इतनी लंबी stick थी, हमने roll कर दी और ये इतना हमने बड़ा सा ये बना दिया. So I have made this coaster. Either you can make a bigger one, a small one. Okay. So the coaster on this, you can either cover the cups, or you can just put your cups, tea cups or glasses on this as well, right? So this is a newspaper. You can also color this coasters. You can color it with different colors you have at your house. Just see, we'll be coloring it soon. So now our coaster is ready. See, I have painted this with red color. You can paint with any color you want, right? As much bigger you want to make, you can make it. Now my coaster is ready. So if you want to serve a tea or a coffee, you can just put it down and keep a cup of tea on this. Can you see this? Yes. So that your cup doesn't put any spots on the floor, right? Either you can also cover the cups with this, right? You can also use this as for keeping a glass. See this, a milk glass. This is an empty glass, but you can put a milk glass, right? Either you can cover this. Whenever the milk is there, you can just cover the glass. Wow, this looks like a rose as well, right? A rose and a coaster. See, so many things you can use this as. You can also put your pens, you can put your pencils. Just see. See, there is a hole. You can just put a... Wow. But we'll be using it as a coaster only. It's getting dry. So once it's been dry, you can use it for multiple purposes. So thank you so much for watching with me. Making a coaster from old newspaper. We can make lots of things from the newspaper. Stay tuned for next time. See you all guys. Bye.